So we have a new time-saving feature for you when it comes to creating emails. So we can now, and you can do this in a one-off email as well as a message template. Go ahead, pull up a message template, and actually, we'll edit this one here. Use the at symbol or type in double brackets for the ability to actually start pulling in fields into the system. And in this case, maybe I want this to actually go to the buyer's agent. I can then go ahead and say, hi, buyer's agent, remove this other field. And now that will be assigned to that buyer's agent, obviously, or it will start the greeting with it if that person's been assigned. So this is to kind of replace that need to go back through and search through all of the fields to find what you're looking for. You will be able to access all of these fields when using this system. So anything that's showing up in the system will show up over here in your email. And again, we can go ahead, we can click that double bracket and just start typing whatever it is that we may need. And it will go ahead and plug itself in there for you. So this is within the message template side. There is a slight caveat on the deal side. So within a one-off email, you can definitely go ahead and start putting in those fields, whether it's within using a template that's already kind of built out, or if we want to start from scratch, we definitely can. So I can go hi, do first names here, and you can type in like deal dot, or you can just type in exactly what you're looking for there. So it will auto input Nolan for me here, and that will be in black. It's just highlighted to let you know that you've inserted a field. The caveat that occurs though is you will not be able to call a field that has not been filled out yet. So this will avoid any blanks occurring in your messaging. In this case, if I were wanting to, let's say, um, include information on the closing coordinator, I wouldn't be able to do so because I have not assigned anyone to that role. But we have assigned an inspector with Stephen Haller there. So I do have that ability then to go ahead and call for fields that are related to that inspector, for example, Stephen's first name. So again, if you are using this this merge fields option within a one-off email, you will need to make sure beforehand that you have entered in those fields into the deal details. But if you're creating a message template, all fields will be accessible when using this merge fields option, typing it in as opposed to having to go search and find the field that you would like to use.